Assalamualaikum. We are Food Hunters Group, and today we will perform about weed clearing robotic, and our robotic is Eco Robotic Evo. So I am Wafa, and the rest of member are Lavania, Afifa, and Yashwini. I will start to introduce about Eco Robotic Evo. Eco Robotic Evo is targeted application of herbicide by the first ever completely autonomous robot for ecological and economical weeding of row crops, meadows, and intercropping cultures. Evo performs autonomous weeding operation in plant fields and row crops. Using cutting-edge machine learning, the robot detects and selectively sprays the weeds with a microdose of herbicide. The centimeter precise detection and spraying reduce the volume of herbicide used by more than 90%, while ensuring crops are not sprayed for yield preservation. Evo operates entirely autonomous and is powered by solar power rechargeable batteries. The user can introduce field boundary and crop line information in the user interface software. The system then generates a navigation path considering field constraint and user predefined inputs. Combining GPS, RTK, positioning, and visual navigation, Evo navigates with a high degree of precision, ensuring minimal crop rollover. I will pass to the next person.
Good day, madam. I am Ashwini Children from DG 3B. Today, I would like to present about an innovative and economical mission, typical pattern of the use of through the year. The four-wheel drive system enables the robot to clear obstacles and operate on slope commonly encountered in some crops. All four wheels can be turned independently, resulting in high maneuverability of robot and short turning radius, thereby minimize untreatable field areas. Due to the overspeeds, a standard throughput of 0.6 hours per hour can be achieved. The robot can be also operated during the night time and also daily throughput. Depending on solar illuminatory condition, battery recharges, and also certain condition, the robot can be also up to 10 hours per day, including the night time. And now I'm going to speak about the advantage of this robot. The weeding robot are not getting sick, so we can use the robot anytime. With higher speed and closer tolerance, they can operate with few errors only. They can make few errors and operate at the higher vendability and higher quality. The weeding robot can be reduce the uses of pesticide by up to 80% of the farm. In difference of field, robots are more effective and can work around trees, rocks, ponds, and also other obstacles easily. For technicians, the robot can be create good jobs that can be fixed the robots. The robot can deliver products of high quality and also low the cost of production. Weight robots also can be function as both fertilizer, liquid spray, and also importantly as an automatic self-control system that meets weather condition. They can be small in size, allowing the accuracy near crop data and perform mechanically weeding, moving, and spraying, and also fertilizing. Weeding robotic also has cameras and also sensible of the capable for detecting weeding, identify the pests and also disease and also other threats. Usually the sensor of the selective and are only used to spray on the affected area only, so it's very easy to us to use also. Robots also provide an opportunity to replace humans operated with a good return on investment by providing effective solution. Weeding clearance robots increase the production also. Products will be smashed in out of movement. You just can't compete with the robot productive. they are designed for job. They don't stop doing it unless they break down or you turn them off. Wearing clearing program also can be do dull stuff. Anyone who work in admin also knows that fact. Endlessly data entry is not what humans are designed for. It can be, however, be precisely the task for robots, and their design. Again, they do the stuff that we don't want to. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Afifah Amira binti Amir. My matrix number is 22 DAG 90F 2012. Today I want to present about the advantage and disadvantage of using Eco-Robotic AVO. My first point and on advantage is using this robotic is the Eco-Robotic AOVO can do the dangerous work. After that, using Eco-Robotic AOV is this is some gas of this robotic is come off. The next point is the Eco-Robotic AOVO is can be handling can do handling dirty words because Eco-Robotic AOVO can do the dirty work. After that, we do not have a getting we do not get our hand dirty because after using Eco-Robotic AOVO. Especially this day. After that, we better pay someone else to do this work, and our hand is do not dirty.
My name is Lavanya. I am from DAG 3B. My metric number is 22DAG19F 2028. Today I am going to talk about the disadvantages of weed clearing robotics in agriculture. The another name of weed clearing robotics are Eco-Robotic AVO. So now the disadvantages of weed clearing robotics in agriculture. That's lead human to lose their job. It is because robots have a nasty habit of taking people's jobs. I mean, in a capitalized system, business owners have to do what it takes to maximum profits, and the crucial efficiency of robots makes them perfect for the task. And also, humans cannot compete with a robot that can work 24 per hours without making any mistakes also. And also the constant power because robots needs oodles of electricity to run. That makes them expensive to run. More on this later, and potential damaging to the environment. And continuously, robots restricted to their programming. Robots cannot think for themselves, yet they rely on clever humans to program them to specific tasks. And also relatively few tasks in a similar way. Robots are only suited for as now, and also for specific roles, responsibilities they came into their own in industry, research, medical practices, and the military, and will cause possible class divides. Expensive product service are only available to people who can afford them. And another thing is staff needs retraining. The shift from manpower of robot power does not always cull jobs for employees. Sometimes it's just because a shift in responsibilities to operate the robots to continuously suffer expensive faults and repairs. Another financial issue that involved with robots is to do with any faults and problems that occur, and cause the cyber security of issues. Robots open the door to a range of cyber security problems too. Even today, the rise of a computer leaves many organizations and individuals open to attacks. That's why hacking, ransomware, and identity the theft are all potential assets. So from the disadvantages of weed clearing robots that I want to present now, I just want to say robots are important in agriculture, but they have got many disadvantages about robotics that I present before this. I say there's a got advantage and disadvantage of the robots. but the disadvantage is the got maximum of the robot. So we can use robots for agriculture, but we have to know how to use it and the procedure of the robots. So that's all from me. Thank you.
The next is the disadvantage of using eco robotic AOVO is lead a woman to lose their work. The next is robots have a nasty habit of taking people's jobs. In a capitalist system, business owner have to do what it takes to maximum profit. And the brutal ethics of robots makes them perfect from the task. Human just can compete their work with using a robot. After that, the next is the disadvantage is the robotic is perform relatively few tasks. In a similar ways, the robots are only switched as a new from specific roles and responsibilities. The robotic is weakest possible class divides. Next is the robotics or expensive products or service are only available to the people who can afford to buy them. The next is staff referring the shift from manpower to robotics power does not always still have a job from employers. Next is the robotic is the suffer expensive face falls and repairs. Another fashionable issue involved with robotics or this robot is to do with any faults or problems, and this is a sore. Everything from its materials involved in the engineers requiring to fix them and can be expensive. The robotic is increased causes cyber security resource to the robotics open the door to a range of cyber security problems too. Even today, the risk of a computers leave many organizations. These individuals open the attack. The next is recurrence is practiced to set this robotic. If you ask me to program a robot, I do not have no idea where to start. Literally stage in the future in a must become a command skills, but from now programming and setting up of the robot for integrating tasks remains something that requires participant and recurrence.